How to recover deleted photos on iPhone. To recover deleted photos on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Then, you will be brought to your gallery. Here, you can view all the media files saved in your gallery. From here, you need to scroll down and find the Recently Deleted option. Once you find it, tap on it. Unlock it with your Face ID. Then, select a photo that you recently deleted. Open it. Then, tap on the Recover option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Proceed with your command by tapping on the Recover Photo option. There you go, you have successfully recovered a deleted photo on your iPhone. You can find the photo in your gallery. By following these simple steps, you can easily recover deleted photos on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.